Day 8, first day of the second week on the Appalachian Trail. This is where I camped last night. And up there is a spring. Can't see it from here, but it's come up through there. And the trail's right over there. Feel a little weak this morning. I don't know if I got close to a heat stroke or what, but anyway, I had to drink a lot of water. Ended up getting back out of the tent and taking my shirt off and wetting it in the spring over there, putting it on. I did wash all the salt out of it, I hope. Try to squeeze it out. Got back in the tent, put my umbrella out the top to block the sun, kind of unzipped a little bit, stuck it through the hole, and opened it up, and that blocked the sun a little bit. I put that pad around the door, and that blocked it. And I laid on the bottom of the tent, let the ground cool me off. How hot it got yesterday, but I don't think that's normal for this time of year. But gotta take it as it comes. Getting an early start, maybe I'll make some miles. Good morning, if I hadn't said that already. You know, I've noticed something this morning. I don't know if you can see them, but the buds on these trees appeared to have just opened up. I mean, a lot of them, if not nearly all of them. Got little baby leaves everywhere. Needed that yesterday. Needed big leaves, but some little late trees. But you know, I guess with that hot day, they figured, yep, it's summer. Let's get this over with. Feeling better now that I started walking. Had a granola bar and some emergency drink, a little powder drink and some water. And guzzled a bunch of water before I left the spring. I slept. After I got cooled off, I slept till a little bit after midnight, maybe 12:15, 12:20, something. I heard a god-awful noise and didn't know what was going on. Jumped up, and a helicopter was coming slow right over the ridge and right over the tent. Don't know why, just they kept right on going. Maybe they got some kind of night vision. They said, well, let's scare this camper. It worked. That shook me up pretty good. It was low enough you could actually see the red blinky light thing. Just see it on the tent, coming through the tent. Lighten it up a little bit as it went over. Don't know what that was about, but it got me kind of excited, and it was maybe a couple hours before I went back to sleep. Set the alarm for 5 a.m. and it went off. I got up and got everything packed up and on the trail at 6:03 a.m. And I gotta tell you, it is warm already. It is hot out here for this time of day. And you go through these little waves of warmer and cooler air. I haven't been able to see a weather forecast because the signal up here is terrible. Has been now for a day or so. But I hope that improves. There's supposed to be, there's a trail behind me, nice spot right here. Supposed to be a general store past the next shelter. And I may stop in there and try to get some kind of electrolytes, guzzle some Gatorade, and maybe take some powder or something with me I resupplied it at the dollar store, and they didn't. If they had it, I didn't see it. Dollar store is a quick, easy resupply, but I don't think I've ever been able to find like powdered Gatorade or anything like that in there. And I don't think they have powdered Nido milk, which by Nestle, which is really good milk, which I'm not drinking enough of. Didn't even drink any coffee this morning. It's just too friggin' warm. Oh, there's the campsite I was originally shooting for. Right down there, if you can see it behind me. Nice spot. Nice rock to sit on. Gets a little more important when you get older. Or just to cross your legs and flop down on the ground, especially after a back surgery. Later. Now this is where I needed to camp last night. Beautiful place next to a stream. I'm next to Tag Run Shelter Trail, and I'm not going to go out there because it's like point. I'm going to find a place up ahead like this, maybe at the next shelter. I can find a shady spot and just park it through the main heat of the afternoon. Just left the Green Mountain General Store. Got some chicken fingers and fries and ice cream and a whole lot of electrolytes. But they didn't have any powder, none in the bag. Green Mountain General Store is right up there. AT comes across the road right here. Back on the trail. Half mile down, half mile back to the store, but it was worth it. I got a good meal and got some electrolytes, which were really badly needed. Feel much better now. Back up on the mountainside, it is hot. And you can laugh if you want to, but it's kind of working. Done this with rain, but never tried it for the sun. Interesting. But it is helping just a little bit anyway. I can still feel like a furnace coming through it, but a little shade's better than no shade. Later. Okay, this looks interesting. I had to put the umbrella up. I had a real rocky climb. I had to get my poles out. It was a little bit in the way. But it's worked good for most of the day. And I'm going to put it back out. It's starting to get a little cloudy. Wind's getting up. I don't know if you can see the clouds. And that's keeping some of the heat off of me. Be a little more careful with this heat. I guess we go this way. Oh. thing, I lost some weight. Oh, it's cool in here. Just want to stay. This is Georgia and Maine. Okay. Maybe I'm through it. Sorry I went too steady, but I'm slipping and sliding on the rocks and trying to hold the phone without dropping it. The end of day 8 leaves me camping near the Alec Kennedy shelter. I'm trying to dry my sweaty clothes out. My bear bag hanging over there. Tomorrow I pass through Boiling Springs. Hopefully make it all the way through there to the next shelter. If I don't make it to the next shelter, may stay at a hotel at the other end of the valley.